The scariest blizzard mistakes people make because they're so tempting in a whiteout. Mistake number one is leaving your car or shelter just to walk a little, looking for help. In whiteout distance, a little becomes a disappearing act. Mistake number two, following tracks you did not make. Snow can distort paths and you can end up walking in circles while feeling sure you're going straight. Mistake number three is pushing through fatigue. Cold turns thinking slow and people keep moving past the point where they can safely decide anything at all. And of course, mistake number four, chasing a sound or a shape. Wind can make a branch creak like footsteps. It can make your own breathing feel like someone else's. So here's a grounded rule. When visibility collapses, stop, shelter, and signal for help. Stay oriented. Don't let the storm make the next choice for you. If you want a part 4 about the early signs of hypothermia that sneak up first, comment whiteout down below. Whew.